Today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trader in Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales to enable cheats like infinite health, gadget, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone version, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon. Double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. And you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and press Alt tab to open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on infinite health, super damage, one hit kills, and get back to the game. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna first get hitted. As you can see, infinite health is working. Now one hit kill, as you can see, it's also working. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.